Starting a new set today. It's a lovely pair of vintage bedsides or nightstands. They've each got one drawer and a little opening cupboard. Very highly lacquered, and they had quite a lot of damage on the tops. So what I've done, I've sanded them, I've cleaned them really thoroughly, I've sanded them back, and then I've applied one coat of the Carts Millie Boutique Primer. It's an adhesive bond, so it stops yellowing or any bleed through coming through the piece. And just one coat, there's the second one, just one coat will give you what you need to get a really good grip with your paint. When I do this, I always do a bit of a scratch test just to be sure. Look, nothing, no marks, it's not coming up. One coat, fantastic, this stuff, fabulous. So I'm going to make this into a pretty long video so that you can all see what's going on as the process happens. And we're going to turn these into something really beautiful and different.